Welcome to the channel, folks. Are you tired of the sweltering heat that makes every room feel like an oven? What if I told you there's a simple solution that could change your summer game for good? Today, we're diving into the best window air conditioners that will keep you cool and comfy no matter how hot it gets outside. Stick around, because not only will you discover the top picks, but I'll also share why these AC units stand out and where you can grab them at the best prices. Links in the description. Let's get into it. The number 5 product on our list is Frigidaire Window Air Conditioner. Did you know a poorly performing AC can cost you more in energy bills while barely cooling your room? That's where the Frigidaire Window Air Conditioner comes in. A compact yet powerful unit that delivers strong cooling, energy efficiency, and easy operation. With effortless temperature control, it keeps your space consistently cool without you needing to adjust it. The multi-speed fan gives you flexibility, while sleep mode gradually adjusts the temperature for better comfort and energy savings. And the programmable 24-hour timer? Perfect for setting up cooling exactly when you need it. One standout feature? The easy-to-clean washable filter, a must for maintaining efficiency. It's not the quietest unit, but the cooling power makes up for it. If you need a reliable, cost-efficient, and easy-to-use window AC, this is a solid pick. But should you buy it? Stick around as we go through real customer reviews. At number 4 is Windmill Inverter Window Air Conditioner. What if I told you a window AC could be powerful, ultra-quiet, and actually look good in your home? Meet the Windmill Inverter Window Air Conditioner, a game-changer in the world of best window air conditioners. First off, this unit is 9x quieter than traditional window ACs, thanks to WhisperTech technology. That means no more loud humming keeping you up at night. Plus, its modern curved design blends seamlessly into any space, unlike those bulky, outdated units. Performance? Top tier. With 100,000 BTUs, it effortlessly cools rooms up to 450 SQFTs and directs air up and out, just like central air. And let's talk about smart control. Adjust settings from anywhere using the app or voice assistants. However, some users report the temperature readings can be slightly off. Still, if you want a stylish, energy-efficient, whisper-quiet AC, this one's worth considering, but is it right for you? Let's check out real customer reviews. The third one on our list is LG Window Air Conditioner. Did you know your window AC can do more than just cool your space? The LG Window Air Conditioner is not only a powerful cooling machine, but it also provides supplemental heat, making it a year-round solution for comfort. With LG ThinQ technology, you can control it from anywhere using your smartphone or even voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. That means no more walking over to adjust the settings, just speak and it listens. Performance-wise, it cools rooms up to 330 SQ, perfect for bedrooms and small living spaces. The auto restart function ensures it turns back on after power outages, and with multiple fan speeds and a 24-hour timer, you can customize your comfort with ease. However, some users mention that it's a bit noisy. Still, if you're looking for one of the best window air conditioners with smart control and year-round functionality, this one is worth considering. On number 2 is GE Window Air Conditioner. Can a small air conditioner really make a big difference? The GE 5100 BTU Window Air Conditioner proves that size isn't everything. This compact yet powerful unit is perfect for small spaces like bedrooms, studio apartments, and home offices, cooling up to 150 SQFTs efficiently. Right off the bat, installation is super easy with the Easy Mount kit, so you can get it up and running in no time. The low noise operation is a game changer, making it ideal for nighttime use without disturbing your sleep. With 2 cooling modes and fan speeds plus 10 temperature settings, you get complete control over your comfort. However, since it's a mechanical unit, there's no remote or smart features. But if you need an affordable, efficient, and quiet cooling solution, this is easily one of the best window air conditioners for small spaces. Would you give it a try? Let me know in the comments. Now, moving to the last one is Midea Window Air Conditioner. Struggling with heat but don't want to spend a fortune? The Midea 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is an affordable and compact solution designed for small rooms up to 150 SQ. Despite its size, it delivers impressive cooling power while being energy efficient, helping you save on electricity bills. Installation is a breeze. Just mount it, plug it in, and enjoy instant relief from the heat. The mechanical controls may not be fancy, but they're easy to use with 7 temperature settings, 2 cooling speeds, and 2 fan modes to customize your comfort. Plus, it operates quieter than a refrigerator, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, and small apartments. However, it lacks smart features like Wi-Fi or remote control, and it's best suited for smaller spaces. But if you need a budget-friendly, reliable cooling option, this could be one of the best window air conditioners for you. After comparing all the options, the Windmill Inverter Window Air Conditioner stands out as the best choice. Its ultra-quiet operation, sleek design, and smart features make it a top-tier pick. However, if you're on a budget, Midea is a solid, affordable option, while LG offers heating and cooling for year-round use. Which one fits your needs best? Let me know in the comments. So guys, this was the video about the best window air conditioner. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.